So I'm calling them. Their number is 916-993-3195.
Thank you for calling the annual filing division. Please leave your corporation name and number along with your message, and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience. Thank you and have a great day.
Wow, must be a scam. So I didn't get any emails back. I mean, any actual person there. This is a scam. Annual filing division, or if you get the letter for business filing division, do not send money because these are all scams. They're using annual. It looks like California thing. It looks very official, but you know, these guys got to be stopped. These guys making like, you know, millions of dollars doing nothing, basically collecting checks off innocent, hardworking people like you and me. So if you receive a annual filings division or a business filing division letter, read carefully in the lines. It will say this product or service has not been approved or endorsed by any government agency. But I think this, you know, this is actually illegal. I don't know why state of California is not stopping this. Anyway, I hope I stop some people from sending the money. That's it.